as well as the water resistant beach chronograph. Oh, see the buttons for the chronograph. Hello, good day everyone. So we're going to review another watch today. So obviously from as what you can see there, that's TechnoMarine. Okay, so before we're going to begin, let's try to know what TechnoMarine is. So the TechnoMarine watch brand is an impressive company created in 1997. So it is really quite a new brand of watch. So the company was founded by Frank Dubarry, a successful designer. Starting his company all by himself, he gave his watch brand an impressive theme. He established his company as one that produces vacation souvenir watches and not expensive accessories. And then the founder went on to create a wide range of sports chronographs as well as the water-resistant beach chronograph that can survive swimming and snorkeling activities. So let's try to open now the box. So let's try to see what kind of watch or what is the design of this watch, because they are known for impressive design. Okay. Oh, it is a really impressive looking watch. It's a very good looking watch. Okay, this one here, and then let's try to check the features of this watch. Let's try to open this one here. Okay, so now try to get a closer look of the watch. So this is the watch here. Okay. There. So if you're going to observe here, it's a rough finish. Okay, and then the crown here is screw because this is a water resistant watch up to 200 meters. If you're going to convert that one into feet, that is 660 feet. So there's a calendar there on the 3, and then the logo of the watch is also there on the 3 together with its name under it. The dial here is the seconds dial, and then this one is the minutes. And then this one, if you're going to press this one here, the feature, the stopwatch feature will turn on. Okay. And if you're going to press that one again, and then press the button here, then it will go back to the 12. Okay, so if you're going to observe there, let me try it again. If you're going to turn it on the stopwatch, the downside is you can barely see the movement of that second hand there. See, you can barely see because it blends well to the color, and aside from that, the silver, that stainless steel there, the silver, it's very thin that you can barely see. So stop. Press here to go back to 12 to reset. Okay, so the width of the watch, this is 45 millimeters. The color of the dial is blue mother of pearl. This is a very solid watch, and then it's quite heavy. And then the band color, obviously it's white and it's made of rubber. And then the clasp is pin buckle. So if you're going to close this one here, then that's how it's going to look there. There's the logo here. And then what's so nice with this with the band is there are a lot of holes. So if you have a small wrist, then there's no problem with that one. There's no need for you to punch another hole there. So if I'm going to wear it, now this is how it's going to look like. Now that's quite okay there. See, it's a very good looking watch actually. Aesthetically, it's very good looking. I get a lot of compliment when I wear this watch because it's a very good looking watch, and then it's really attractive. So the movement of this watch is quartz, and then this is made in Japan. So I really like the watch actually. So another thing is the bandwidth is 27 millimeters, and then the band length is 9.5 inches. Okay. If you're going to look at the watch, it goes well with a rubber band. I do not know if it goes well with a stainless steel. So that's it. So this is my review. So hopefully that you like the review of this watch. By the way, I totally forgot the name of the model of this watch is Black Reef. Okay, this is TechnoMarine Black Reef men's watch. Okay, so if you're going to have a second look on it, so I'm going to let you see, and then there. So it's made of stainless steel, and then I'm going to let it sit there. So that is the TechnoMarine watch with 45 millimeters case, a water resistant of 200 meters, and then it has a mother of pearl blue dial. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and then if you have any comments if you have any other information about this watch, you may leave a comment down below. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.